can perform in all kinds of different environments by all kinds of different people and users and patients in a kind of a regulated fashion, and controlling that is incredibly hard to do.
Let's go!
Hey Joris, you know it's just about my birthday and I was going to renew my subscription to Popular Mechanics. I've had it since I was 10.
Wow.
And you know something I was thinking about was I've been, like I said, reading this since I was 10. And when I was 10, I remember reading an article about how a wristwatch, would be able to monitor things like cortisol levels and tell you about stress indices. That was when I was 10. I'm not 10 anymore. It's been a while.
Yeah.
But I got a question for you. We developed these things. Where's my cortisol-sensing wristwatch that I read about so many years ago?
I think it's an excellent question. I follow the literature quite carefully and often see academic labs publish amazing technologies, and concepts or products that could monitor all these types of things, including like cortisol, for example.
Right.
But if you then think about what is actually really difficult to do, like first of all, you need to have some kind of a laboratory assay that you need to convert into a kind of automatic workflow, right? Like people would wear that on their wrist. Maybe they will have some kind of like a wearable device measuring interstitial fluid of some kind.
Right.
Like that's difficult to do in and of itself. But I think that's one of the first key hurdles. But the major hurdle here is actually commercialize that concept. And then we're thinking about manufacturing that, often a consumable, manufacturing a consumable like in the millions, first of all, and then do it the same way every single time to make sure that your consumable can survive shipping, can perform in all kinds of different environments by all kinds of different people and users and patients in a kind of a regulated fashion, and controlling that is incredibly hard to do, and it also costs a lot of money to do that.
Absolutely.
So that's why you see these concepts are really cool, but not all concepts make it out to be products.
Got it.
Yeah.
So that's the answer to my 10-year-old self then.
That's the answer to your 10-year-old self. So amazing concepts, but you need to bring a bag of money and have the endurance to really bring that product to market.
Yeah, very cool. All right. Well, thanks for that explanation.
Thanks, and have a good day.
Have a good day.